And by the way, the reason why I'm bleeding this, this is not a new system that I'm having to bleed or purge or put oil in the entire system. My steering was just getting very jerky. In other words, that means a lot of air bubbles in here somewhere. So all I'm doing is bleeding out the air bubbles. And this is the parts that I showed you on the first video. These are the parts hooked up. This is the brass connection to the water, to the hydraulic fluid bottle. That goes into this T-fitting right here. Let's get another angle on that. There's also a fitting right here that screws in first. So again, no drips, no mess. These are all quick connect fittings. You can do them with one hand if you want to. Then this return line right here goes back to this fitting right here. That's that other T parts which I showed you in the packets, the numbers. And these both go onto the bleed holes and the bleed fittings. And mine had just 2 black rubber caps on there, and these are just quick disconnect. You can just let's see if I can do it. Just quick disconnect, and then I have to open this up about 1 full turn when I get ready to do this. And these fittings made by the Outboard Motor Specialty Tool Company just click in place. That easy, very nice. So got my buddy George here came by to help me, and. Well, here's a 1/2-inch wrench. Oh, and by the way, I needed one more tool I mentioned, and that was only because my cap, this cap goes on my remote piece right there. This cap, I have weak fingers. I couldn't get it off, so I ended up having to very carefully with a rag around it use a channel lock to get that off. Okay, so they're all set up, ready to go, and once we get it purging and bubbles coming out. Once we get it purging and bubbles coming out, I'll run another video. Goodbye.